Hey, what's going on, everybody? Long time no stream. So let's see what's been happening. What's been happening? Let's see. Give me one sec. Do, do, do. Oh no, what happened to my scene? Oh man. Oh. Wait, give me one sec, guys. Give me 1 second. All right. Hopefully you guys can see that. So what's been going on? Let's see. Comes profit. So there's a reason why I haven't been streaming. Well, I guess there's a reason. I've been losing a lot of money. So lost $640 this week. I was doing good Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Doing good with my strategy. And you know what happened on Thursday? I changed strategies and I didn't size down. I was like, and then I did the same thing on Friday. So I didn't really need to lose this money if I just sized down and realized I was doing a different strategy. So, but you know what? Good came out of that. So I guess it took me a week to kind of fine tune a strategy before I just started making money. Maybe last Thursday, I realized it was a mean reversion strategy. My old strategy was a kind of momentum strategy. And then what will happen is I will be in a trade, and then once the stock starts ranging again, I start losing money, right? Because it's ranging, and I'm like, crap. And I'm it's all about momentum, about breakouts, right? Breakdowns, right? But like, it wasn't breaking, right? It's reversing. It was ranging, and I was losing a ton of money. Or I was like freezing in the stock. Oh man, I'm losing money. So then I'm always hunting around for trending stock, momentum stocks, which gets a little annoying if there's no stocks trending. You're hopping around. So I wanted a strategy where you can stay in the stock all day long. Let me give you an example. So this is a video, right? So you see how it goes up and down, up, down, up, down. I can make money there. But check it, this area right here. Look, it's ranging. And those are the area I will be losing money in my old strategy, right? And then some stock could range for like, look at this, right? It range from the open till the first 10 minutes of the day. I was ranging, right? So I would lose a shit ton of money if I traded during a range, right? So I guess I want a strategy where I can trade all day long. I'm calling it cycle, where you just kind of like the whole cycle of ranging, expanding, contracting, right? Goes up, back down, range, right? Go down, 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 range, back up, down, down, range a little bit, down, range. So this whole thing is kind of like a range right here, right? Down. Now we're like down, going down a little bit, ranging. So I wanted to figure out how to have a strategy where I can just trade all day long in this one ticker, this NVIDIA, and then realize at the time it was a mean reversion strategy. Well, anyway, so I tweaked my charts, got this new oscillator, stochastic oscillator that really helps just kind of like the micro movement of the stock. So I've been using that for my my range strategy. So I think this is it right here. Yeah, it's a stock. It's a basic stochastic. I'm just putting on top of my chart. All right, so let's try it. So today's the second day. Second day where I did strategies, half day so far. I'm gonna try to do another 15 trades. I usually take half days on Fridays, but I'm gonna stream instead because I have to build my way back up. So now, I was at $19 a trade I was trying to make. So now I'm a little bit back down to $1 with my new strategy. I just want to make sure the strategy is good, make any tweaks along the way. So yesterday was $1, today's $2. So I'm gonna try to do 15 more trades today at $2 per trade. All right, let's go. Let's do it. And look, because of my undisciplinedness the last week, I made this new mode thing where you get to choose the mode that you're using. Like basically you choose your strategy or tactic that you're using and it will track it, right? So you can like add that to trader view via tags and like kind of know, okay, this strategy is making this money, this strategy is not making money. So the strategy I was using before was not making money at all. So all right, let's go back to trading. I'm gonna so I have a theory where you see this momentum going down, so you want to err on the side of momentum, because if it ranges, you won't lose as much. But if you think it's ranging and it's actually trending, you could lose a whole lot more. I'm just trying to make $2. Moving my limit orders. See $2, right? 209. So moving this up, 209. Then I'm averaging down. I call it proportional averaging, but you don't have to do proportional. You just do one share. So look, so it might even go up, but I'm just gonna stick with one side. Just stick one side until you're trying to have a good win rate, right? My strategy is all about getting a high win rate, and we can look at the stocks after my stats after. So I see, okay, maybe it's increase the shares a little bit. All right, and then move my limit order back to $2, right? So 235. We keep doing that. So you see how it's kind of like starting to reverse a little bit. So maybe I can even like increase it. All right, 17. Zoom in, $2. All right, that's basically all I'm doing. So I'm trying to make $2. When I was making like those few days I was making $500, I was doing 19 shares. I mean $19 per trade. Oh no. So she's reversing. Proportional averaging. So I'm gonna average down a lot there, trying to move my limit order up. So I'm just waiting for it to go back down, hit me. I wonder if I switch yet. No. So basically, if the price goes up here, I'm going to average down. If it goes on here, I'm going to take profit. So like average down. So this is kind of dangerous. So you don't know how high it's going to go. Right? So I'd much rather be long here. But let's see. So it's a mean reversion strategy. So you're going to be down first before you be up. So I don't know. So maybe I should whenever I should pay attention a little bit more. So the share size is getting kind of high. I'm getting a little nervous. But look, see, this is RSI signal. I think it's gonna go down. Boom, there it goes. Went down, big down, boom. Mean reversion. Got my $3.71. Alright, so basically just do it all day long. You know what? I'm gonna reverse here. I'm just gonna say, okay, you know what? I think it might go back up. So I think it's going up before. Now I'm thinking to go up. So you're basically switching. When it's down, you buy. Up, you sell. Right? It's different than the momentum strategy, right? Where you're kind of just following the trend. This, you're kind of fading. You're kind of fading a lot. But you're using the stochastic, so you kind of know, okay, you know what? It went down, it might go back up. So you kind of use that as a kind of reference, you know. Or else you have no idea if it's gonna go down or up. This at least you have like an idea. Okay, it goes down, up, right? Look, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, all day long. Stocks go up and down. So 17, I got. Sometimes I do buy market. Any chance I can, I move my increase my share size, move it down, right? So he's going down. Okay. So up to 11 shares. Move that down. So it's key. If it starts to reverse right here, like I might do it now. Look, I'm gonna reverse right now. Okay, show you guys. Right? So I see that, okay, maybe it's gonna start to trend down a lot. Reverse down and start buying heavy. So you're saying, okay, you know what? I think it might go down a lot. So then 91, I do divide by 422. Oh look, so it went down a lot. I see I could have grabbed that there by seems to do 222 right there. Things go down, move it up. Just have a little patience. There we go. Move it up, up, up. And I'm just gonna flatten it. Get out. End the trade. See what happened. All right, look. See, look, made $7.94. So I reversed it. I was down $1.36, right? Here, right? Because I thought it was gonna go back up, but then I saw a trend starting. Right? It's my theory, right? My thesis. Trend starting, so I reversed heavy. And it did reverse, right? So this, look, I think it might go up. So I'm just gonna. So once stocks goes down a lot, there's chances it can go back up a lot. It's like the waves become bigger. If it's kind of like surfing, right? This is trade surfing, right? Like waves are small, they're ranging, but then once there's a big wave down, there's another big wave up. I'm not sure what the right word is, but if it goes down, then it goes up, and then the wave gets bigger, then the wave gets smaller, right? So once there's a big wave down, there's a chance it's going to be swing up dramatically, right? Look, these even within these candles, it's swinging dramatically, and I think we're still kind of like we're kind of like on the way down, but let me see. Try to hit the sometimes we get close to $2. See, up 30 cents. So my one share, I'm just trying to move my position a couple cents lower. Because honestly, 1 cent is the difference between getting out and like losing a trade. 1 cent is really important. Boom, got out. Like, if the top was, let's say, $2.04 and you had your order $2.05, your order's not gonna place. That 1 cent makes a difference. So you gotta make sure. All right, you know what? I'm gonna buy some more. I think it's gonna keep going up. So you start off with like 3 shares. You know, I think when I was making trying to aim for $19 a day. I was starting off as 4 shares. I had my wow, look at that huge move. You see, it's like trend, man. You can't mess with the trend. It's still, you gotta still respect the trend. Like it's I call it a cycle. That's what I'm calling the strategy. Because it's the mean reversion strategy with trending. It has a trend component. If it's trending, you reverse and double down. It's the martingale, okay? High win rate, but you gotta be careful. If you lose money, you could lose a lot. So you gotta know. That's why the reverse component is important, because you gotta be good at, like, okay, you know what, it's reversing, right? So you kind of have to be accurate with, like, guessing where the market is going a little bit. You know, at least a little bit better than 50%. You just gotta be a little bit better than 50%. So it's a martingale, high percentage strategy, all about high win rate. There we go. See, boom. See, I guess right. It's going up. I'm gonna say it's gonna keep going up. That's my prediction. Even though there's a support right here, I could be dead wrong. It could go down. Right now, it could go down or up. I'm not gonna be as aggressive. I'm just gonna wait, like maybe give. Right? It could totally go down. All right, you know what? It could go down or up right there. Tempted to. It looks like it's going up. It looks like it's going up. It's going up. It's going up. Let's see. Let's support a little bit. Oh. Do some orders. I think it's going up. Unless it's a false breakout. Which, look, could be a false breakout. Oh no. Is it a false breakout? No, it looks pretty strong. Looks pretty strong. So I'm trying to get more shares. Move my position. Still could be a false breakout. I could be cooked. I'm gonna keep. I don't think so. So see, it's kind of low here, and it's not really going down that much. Let's see. Oh man, be bad. Oh. Averaging down. Not good. Whew, got out. Thank goodness. You always need help from other traders. Like, I'm a small fish when it comes to so I think, so see how it's at the bottom, and I think it's gonna go up, right? So that's why I bought 10 shares there. Look.
It's 11 o'clock.
Boom. Boom. So we were at the bottom of stochastic, right? And it was going up. So it's like there's support right there. See the setup? So this resistance became support. We were at the bottom of stochastic.
Here's your reminder.
Oh.
Meeting with Martha.
Alright. So it could reverse, but I think it can go up. So that's why I bought 10 shares. I probably could have did a stop loss there instead of just taking it. I gotta work on kind of like maximizing my profits, you know? Oh man, this is a good trend. I think this is pretty healthy trend right here. Alright, it's gonna keep going up. So I'm just made my guess. I think it's gonna go up. Just because I have to guess, yo, is this gonna go up or down? What's your guess? You know, it's basically two choices. Very, very simple. So I'm guessing it's gonna go up, right? So I think this is gonna be just a pullback. That's my guess. I think it's gonna be a pullback and go up. Getting shares, moving my limit, moving my order down. So I have to hit 176.33 and get out with my profits. Fractal, right? So I'm trying to win trades, get good positioning, win trades, have a good session, have a good block. I break my trading day into blocks. Then you have good blocks, you have good days, you have good weeks, you have good week, you have month. You have good weeks, you have good month, you have good quarters, and quarters go to years, you know. So I'm up to 49. So I kind of fixed my HUD. I think you saw some of my other live streams. This wasn't really working too good. It was oh look, Oliver Velez training. Alright, maybe I should stop talking and try to finish my training and get to that. So I am part of Oliver Velez. Oh no. Look, I missed that. Missed that. See, it went down a lot. It's reversing. But I think it might. I think there's going to be some support right there. So let's see here. Trying to get out. I just try to get out right there. I'm not liking where I am. I could I'm gonna buy some more. Hopefully it goes back up a little bit. Oh no. Man, I gotta pay attention more, guys. Oh no, you know what? I'm gonna reverse it. Reversed it. And then I'm gonna just go and go. Don't worry. How much are losing that draw now? 25 bucks. Let's see. 380 divided by 4. 95. 95. There we go. And draw. Oh man, I had it. It was already down 30 bucks. I missed it though. Oh, what happened? 5. Getting a little greedy here. I usually try to just take half. Oh, not letting me stall. Let's go. No. Can go back up. Get out, man. Get out. tempted to reverse and then. Alright, reversing. I think it can go up. Long trade, guys. Should I reverse again? Thinking about it. This is a crazy trade. So I think it's gonna go down. I hope so. There we go. Yeah. Get out of this 50 share. I'm gonna just. Fine. Alright, you see what the hell happened there, guys? So, no more drawdown, which is good. Alright, that was kind of nuts. I was just like, I had to concentrate for a little bit. I had large share size. It was moving a lot. I'm glad I'm up. That was kind of risky. I should probably pay more attention. So, so I got a big loss. Made it back. Anyway, you guys can go right now. Oh, look, big breakdown. Just go down. I'm just gonna guess it's gonna go down. Let's say. Let's do one share. Kind of shook. All right, I got 4 trades left. I don't want to give my day back. All right. Do one share. Start one share because I think it could go back up, but I think largely. Oh wow. So look, down, up, down. I think one downswing maybe. We are hardcore ranging right now. This is the range. This is what I'm talking about. This is, my old strategy would have lost a shit ton of money. I would have been frozen. Wouldn't have do because my old strategy only works momentum trend. Worked pretty well. I was a little bit paranoid, and I wasn't taking advantage of large moves. So I think once I start to get better at the strategy, I can potentially like buy down here and just kind of like take advantage of like a large upswing without getting low, without getting like shaken out. So that's my plan anyway. So I'm predicting it's gonna range. It's my prediction. Range. Still gonna try to make $2. Broke support. You know what? I'm reversing. It broke support. Shares. You see 175.96. My average long side. Stay above there. I'm good. there's some support. Let's see. Thank God. Let's see, 8, 9. Just trying to get out. Just get out. Just get out. I'm done with this trade. Alright. $4 there. A little too risky, I think, for making like trading's risky. It is. So I think it's trending up. So this strategy, since I'm on the 15-second time frame, like price action, you kind of like the fact that you just kind of constantly buying one share, buying and selling. You kind of have a feel for like where's it going a little bit, but probably should calm down. I think I'm buying too many shares here. Let's go back to 1. Move this down. There we go. Alright, one more trade, guys. One more trade, alright? Hopefully don't lose everything. Made $2 more. Last trade of the day. I think it's going to go up. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that. The stochastic is super low. Super low. So I'm just going to buy heavy. When you buy, you kind of have to... I think it's going to process orders like one at a time. So when you buy, you have to like... Let's go. You're gonna have to let Thinkorswim process your order. Even if it's like one, even if you're buying one share takes the same time to execute as like 4 shares. I mean like 100 shares, 1,000 shares. Buying one share takes the same amount of time. And then you kind of just have to, it's a queue. It's like, okay, you bought one, you placed another order for 1 share, you place another order for 1 share. Oh, you're trying to get up and sell off 5 shares. They have to kind of do it in order. Alright, guys, I hit my 30 trade. Kind of tempted to keep going, but it's Friday. Usually it's half day. Did a full day today. Try to make $2 a trade. On Monday, I'm trying to make $3 a trade. Working my way back up to $19, hopefully. Alright, take care. Have a good weekend. Like and subscribe. Thank you.